Today I am showing you how to download and install VS Code in Ubuntu. Let's look how to download and install VS Code in Ubuntu. Open Firefox browser. All these links and commands will be on the blog post in my website. Link is in the description box. Copy the website address from the blog post. Paste the link in Firefox. This is the version of VS Code for Linux. It is better to download the .deb file. Click the 64-bit button. This is the .deb file we are going to download. It is a file about 73 megabytes. Select the Save File option. Click OK. I will be back after the downloading completes. Downloading is completed. Open Files. Go to Downloads directory. This is the file we downloaded. Open Terminal. Copy the command from the website. Paste it in the terminal. Press Enter. This is the command you have to enter. Place the file name of the downloaded file. Copy the part of the command. Paste it in the terminal. Copy the file name of the downloaded file. Paste it in the terminal. Make sure it has the .deb format. Click Enter. Enter your admin password. Click Enter. The installation process will start. Close terminal after the installation is finished. A shortcut will be added to the dock menu. Open it. This is your VS Code interface. Now let's look how to uninstall VS Code. Open Ubuntu software. Go to Installed page. Click Remove. Again click Remove. Enter your admin password. Click Authenticate. The software will be removed. That's all for this video.